Welcome back to Crypto Corner, your go to channel for everything related to the world of cryptocurrencies. Today, we have an exciting video in store for you, as we will be discussing some of the hottest altcoins in the market, including Avalanche, Polygon, Solana, Ethereum, and Cardano. But before we dive into that, we need to update you on the latest news in the world of cryptocurrencies. As you may know, the crypto market is constantly evolving, with new developments and announcements happening every day. So, it's important to stay up to date with the latest news and trends in order to make informed investment decisions. So, sit back, relax, and make sure to hit that like button if you appreciate the daily content that we provide. As always, our team at Crypto Corner is committed to delivering accurate and insightful content to help you navigate the world of cryptocurrencies with confidence. As we mentioned earlier, in this video, we will be discussing some of the hottest altcoins in the market, including Avalanche, Polygon, Solana, Ethereum, and Cardano. These cryptocurrencies have been making headlines lately, with many investors keeping a close eye on their performance and potential for growth. Whether you're an experienced investor or new to the world of cryptocurrencies, this video is sure to provide valuable insights and updates. Now, let's switch gears for a moment and talk about a recent development in the crypto world that has been fueling wild theories and speculation across the internet. As it turns out, every Apple computer is hiding a Bitcoin manifesto, which has led some to believe that Steve Jobs, the late co founder of Apple, was actually Satoshi Nakamoto, the mysterious creator of Bitcoin. Technologist Andy Bale stumbled upon a copy of Satoshi Nakamoto's Bitcoin white paper on his Mac computer, prompting him to share his discovery in a blog post. Twitter users quickly followed suit, sharing screenshots of the same manifesto stored on their own Macs. A Mac insider also tested out Bale's instructions and found the white paper on the latest version of their Mac OS. While the inclusion of the Bitcoin white paper on every version of Mac OS since 2018 is certainly interesting, it's unclear why Apple has chosen to do so. This has led some to speculate that Steve Jobs may have been Satoshi Nakamoto, especially given the timing of his death in October 2011, just months after Nakamoto sent his final message. We want to hear from you. Do you believe that Steve Jobs was Satoshi Nakamoto? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Regardless of whether or not you believe that Steve Jobs' Satoshi Nakamoto conspiracy theory, it's worth noting that Apple CEO Tim Cook has shown an interest in cryptocurrencies. In fact, Cook owns both Bitcoin and Ethereum and has been researching the space for some time now. As we've said before on this channel, we believe that cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum should be a part of a diversified investment portfolio. While they may be volatile in the short term, a long term potential of these assets is significant. So, do you own any cryptocurrencies? Would you consider adding them to your investment portfolio? Let us know in the comments below. Let's address a pressing matter before we delve into the promising altcoins. The president of the European Central Bank, Lagarde, has unwittingly revealed their plans to establish a central bank digital currency in a video chat with fake Zelensky. It's concerning to hear that they plan to use CBDCs to gain complete control over payments. The decision to move forward with the electronic currency will be made in October, and they're preparing the ground for it. While we understand the reasoning behind the decision, we don't want Europe to be dependent on an unfriendly country's currency or private corporate entity like Facebook or Google. We also don't want a foreign currency to take over the sovereignty of Europe. However, the idea of complete control is a bit daunting, and we hope that there will be limited control with a digital euro. Lagarde admits that they're aware that people don't want to be controlled, but they've already implemented a threshold above 1,000 euros where you cannot pay cash. The digital euro will have some level of control, but it's not clear yet how much. The ECB is considering having zero control for very small amounts, but that could be dangerous as terrorists could use anonymous credit cards to finance their activities. It's a delicate balance between control and anonymity. Switching gears, we're excited to see that the altcoin projects are continuing to progress. Specifically, Avalanche has been making strides by building a new subnet to offer blockchain customizations for financial institutions' Layer 1 protocols. We're thrilled to see the launch of Evergreen Subnets, a suite of blockchain deployment tooling and customization for financial institutions using Avalanche token AVAX. This will allow firms to launch their own evergreen subnets for research and development and for production ready use cases. Ava Labs institutions can pursue their own blockchain strategies in private permissioned chains with known approved counterparties while retaining the ability to communicate with other subnets through Avalanche's native communication protocol. We believe that this is a significant development for the industry and could lead to increased adoption of blockchain technology in the financial sector. We have developed a messaging system called Avalanche Warp Messaging that allows users to transfer data and communicate without relying on a third party intermediary. With the expansion of Avalanche subnets, we have created a powerful tool for institutions interested in embedding compliance on the chain. Our CEOs explained the concept of subnets during an interview on NASDAQ. Subnets are a principal way to scale, and an application specific chain can be compliant with jurisdictional measures necessary for large asset holders looking to digitize their assets. With our system, we provide users with full control and a single, unified interface. Polygon has made a name for itself in the gaming sector with the help of its DApp Radar Layer 2 scaling solution. It recently recorded 138,000 daily unique active wallets in March, an increase of 53 from February, making it the second largest gaming blockchain. This development is positive for Polygon as it gains recognition as a gaming blockchain following its success in DeFi decentralized finance dApps. Solana has introduced state compression as a solution to reduce on chain storage costs for non fungible tokens. Compression can reduce storage costs by up to 100 times, which is a significant development for NFT creators who often face high costs when minting NFTs. The state compression solution comes at a time when Solana's ecosystem has taken a hit from popular NFT projects leaving the network for Ethereum and Polygon. Ethereum's upcoming Shanghai upgrade, also known as Chapelia, is great news for Ethereum stakers as it allows them to unstake whenever they want. This upgrade will also help Layer 2 networks such as Optimism and Arbitrum. Developers can now focus on improving user experiences for Ethereum users. We predict that Layer 2 users will benefit from this upgrade, and it will soon become a trending subsector. As we continue to closely monitor the latest developments in the cryptocurrency space, we can't help but be excited about the recent progress in Layer 2 scaling solutions. Chapella, Arbitrum, and Optimism are all examples of Layer 2s that has been performing exceptionally well this year in terms of daily active addresses. In particular, the recent airdrop from Arbitrum has helped to significantly boost its popularity. However, while these layers 2 solutions are undoubtedly impressive, we believe that the future of Ethereum lies in its roadmap. The merge has understandably been taking up a lot of attention from developers, but they are also working on scaling Ethereum in the background, which is part of the next phase of the roadmap called the Surge. This exciting development will involve reducing the fees that Layer 2 networks use and storing their transaction data on Ethereum, which we believe will have a profound impact on the scalability and usability of Ethereum. As we continue to track the progress of the surge, we are closely following the developers who are working hard to anticipate the big benefits that are coming to Layer 2s. While the merge is undoubtedly important, we believe that the success of Ethereum in the long run will depend on the ability of its Layer 2 solutions to scale efficiently and provide users with a seamless experience. By keeping a close eye on the latest developments and working closely with our partner in the industry, we are confident that we will be able to stay ahead of the curve and provide our clients with the most cutting edge and reliable solutions available. We hope you found this episode of Crypto Corner informative and engaging. As we continue to explore the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency, we can't help but be excited about the potential of Layer 2 scaling solutions like Chapella, Arbitrum, and Optimism. It's clear that the developers are putting a lot of effort into improving the user experience and reducing fees for Layer 2 networks, and we can't wait to see what's next. In other news, Cardano continues to make impressive strides in the world of decentralized finance with the integration of Liquid Finance as the first Oracle integration for its platform. This makes a significant step forward for Cardano, providing users with more options for accessing DeFi on the blockchain. We value your opinions, so let us know in the comments below what you think about these exciting developments. Also, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button if you'd like to keep seeing more of our content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.